2, 1.
Hello and welcome. Did you know that Haier has been awarded Global #1 connected air conditioner brand and Global #1 self-cleaning air conditioner brand in the world? Supersonic cooling in Haier ACs is literally about speed. The speed of cooling in just 10 seconds. Which means when the compressor starts, the temperature drops by 3 to 4 degrees in flat 10 seconds. Let me show you. So, I turn on the AC. Here's a thermostat that shows us the current room temperature. The compressor has kicked in after a short safety time. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and voila! See? 3 to 4 degrees down in just 10 seconds. And it doesn't end there. It gives a stable performance thereafter for a continued faster cooling. See? Another 20 seconds and another 6 degrees drop. Now that's like winning a short race and a marathon together. While the supersonic cooling results may vary slightly as per various climatic and room conditions, SGS labs have tested it in the most usual conditions and have stamped and certified it. Supersonic cooling in 10 seconds for Haier ACs. This means you get quick relief from hot conditions, more comfort, faster reaching the optimum energy mode, thereby more efficiency and more cost saving. That's Haier AC's supersonic cooling. Isn't it fab?
Cut.